Hello my friends, I have another video for you, and this time is 8 backgrounds for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Let me show you first few examples and then I will show you how to use it. Link for installation guide video will be under the video in video description, and the link for files will be on my blog, and link for my blog will be also under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, when you open the Fusion, you can just open the VFX library, go on folder where you extracted the files, and you will get 8 backgrounds templates. And all you need to do is just drag and drop, just like this, and then connect to media out. This is all that you need to do. If you don't like it, you can adjust everything here in the group. You see here 4 particle emitters. You can adjust the number, variance, lifespan, and etc. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.